And I mean, I'm just hearing you define it, and you sound like a university professor. So I want to like, okay, when you were in university, you took international business management. Are you getting this from that, or is this more so real world experience and a combination of that?
It's a combination. I wouldn't say if you go back to like say what I studied, that gave me a great foundation actually. Like 'cause people always take a just basically laugh when you say you did an international or business management study thing here in the UK. It's seen as like a kind of degree you do just as a catch-all. Whereas I was like, I want to go into business. If I can learn the fundamentals of business at this level, and I did it before in different studies as well at school and stuff, like I have this real foundational experience of different lingos and language and just thought processes I can take into the real world of work. Um, I like absorb and consume and like massively retain content. So beyond university, I have read so much around different people, different experiences, be that, you know, I don't know, let's take like Martin Sorrell of WPP or Steve Jobs of Apple, all the different types of like leaders that you see of all different shapes and sizes across different businesses. And even like mentors that I've met on a day-to-day basis that are running businesses that, in the multi-millions, but you would never have heard of, and just absorb as much as I can about how they run their businesses, what their experiences are, even if they're like random stories that I have nothing to attach to, because then I can take all these like fundamental things and start to map in my head, okay, what was like different experiences that everyone seems to have been through, and I'm going through myself now, and I can take a learning from this video I watched, or this book I read, or this blog I read, etc. So like the university professor thing's quite funny because someone else said that to me. Like I absorb so much and then try and think really actively about how I can apply that to my daily life and my experiences, particularly in business. Um, because one of my big things is like everything's already happened. There's nothing new in business that someone hasn't been through somewhere on this planet. So
Yeah.
if you can find a mentor or like I said, a blog or something to help you through a particular experience or a challenge you're going through at work, there's almost always like a case study to try and refer to. So I always try and remember that as I'm going through day-to-day life.